Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a full section view using Fusion 360. So once you have your part file open, let's go ahead and get started. The first thing you want to do is come on up to your workspace and change it from design to drawing. And we're going to do drawing from design. And we're going to change our sheet size now to sheet size A, 11 inches by 8.5 inches. Let's go ahead and select OK. Alright, so we're going to change our orientation now from front to top view, and we're going to select visible edges, and we're going to change our scale now from 1 to 2. We're going to change it to 1.5 to 2. So we're going to make it slightly larger. Okay, and I'm going to place my first view up in the top left corner here. So I'm going to click somewhere around here. We can always move it later, and then select OK. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and bring in my 3D or isometric view. So I'm going to come back over to base view, and I'm going to change my orientation from front to home. Okay, and once again, I'm going to use shaded, but once again, we're going to use a scale of 1.5 to 2. I'm just going to kind of click up in this top right corner where I want it, and I'm going to go ahead and select OK. I'm going to go ahead and bring in my third and final view now. So I'm going to come back to base view, and I'm going to change it from front to right side. And I'm going to go ahead this time, I'm going to select visible and hidden edges. I'm going to use the same scale, 1.5 to 2. I'm going to click down here in the bottom right corner is where I want it. I'm going to click OK. So I'm going to go ahead and zoom in now to do our section view. So to do our section view, we want to come on up here and we want to click on section view, or you can come down to drawing views and select section view here. Okay, and then once you click on the view that you want to slice open, I guess you could say, okay, so click on it, you'll notice these features pop up: midpoints, the centers of circles, the corners. Okay, so we want our section view to go right down the middle of this guy. So I'm actually going to find the center of this circle, and I'm going to just drag my mouse to the left so that this green dashed line appears. Okay, so I'm going to right there. Once I have something that looks like this, I'm going to click, and I'm going to drag my mouse across the part. I'm going to click again. I'm going to get something so that my arrow is pointing down. I'm going to right click, continue, and then I'm just going to drag my section view down somewhere around like this. Okay, and everything looks good. Go ahead and select OK. Alright, so I'm going to zoom out real quick and kind of start cleaning some things up here. So I'm going to click on my section view here. I'm going to grab that gray square and place it just underneath it. I'm going to make sure this guy kind of lines up with my section view. Okay, and that looks pretty good. Everything looks nice and symmetrical. Alright, when you're done, don't forget to save it. That'll do it for this video tutorial. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.